Today we will study English grammar chapter 3. Okay. This is English 2 chapter 3. Personal pronoun, personal and possessive pronoun. Okay. So before that we have to know about pronoun. What is pronoun? See, pronoun is a word used in a place of noun. It is a word used in a place of noun. Okay. Example. Here I am writing example. Example: he, she, it, they. Okay. Etc. These are pronoun which comes in the place of noun. Okay. Then comes to the next point, which what is that is personal pronoun. What is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun are words that are used in a place of noun that name people. Okay. Personal pronoun are words that are used in a place of noun that name people. Okay. So the personal pronoun I have written here: I, we, me, he, she, it, etc. Okay. These are the personal pronoun. And in page number 26, there you can see some of the personal pronoun: the first person, second person, and third person. And it's a singular and plural form. Okay. As it is given I, its plural form is we. Okay. Then you, he, she, or it, their plural form is they. Okay. Like that, many of the some of the personal pronouns are given there, and their plural form also given. Then we will study about possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun are pronouns that stand for people or thing who own something. Okay. Example: mine, yours, ours, his, hers, etc. Okay. This is my pen. That is your pen. Okay. Or that is their pen. Theirs, your, ours, mine, his, hers. Okay, these are called possessive pronoun. Okay, one example I have written here: this computer is mine. This computer is mine. Here, mine is a possessive pronoun. But when you do the exercise, you must remember one thing. See, possessive pronoun never comes with an apostrophe s. Okay, it never comes with apostrophe s. Don't write apostrophe s. See, the short form of it is, we write that it apostrophe s. That is the short form of it is. Okay, it's we write. But whenever you describe something like it means, that's also, see, what is the difference between this one and this one? You can see here. There is an apostrophe here, but here there is no apostrophe. Okay. So when you write something, some possessive pronoun, you must remember one thing. If it is, see, I have given one example here. The bird has a nest. Its nest is small. Okay. Its nest is small. Now this is one possessive pronoun. Okay. But if you write like this, okay, it will be different. So that will be wrong. So you notice that one. Possessive pronoun never comes with an apostrophe s. Okay. Then a pronoun and the noun is referring to must agree. In page number 26, there it is given in one green box. If the noun is plural, the pronoun must be plural. This thing you must remember. Okay. If the noun is plural, the pronoun must be plural. Okay. See, one example I am giving. Now here the computer is a noun. Students, today we will study English grammar. Okay, this is standard for English grammar chapter 3, personal and possessive pronoun. Okay, before that we have to understand what is pronoun. In previous classes we have studied about pronoun. See, pronoun is a word used in place of noun. Okay, pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. Okay, you know what is noun? Noun is a name of person, place, animal or thing. Okay, so the word which we use in place of a noun, those words are called pronoun. Here I have written some example. You see, he, she, it, they, etc. These are called pronouns. Okay, so you understood what is the meaning of pronoun? Then we will go to the next point, that is personal pronoun. See, there are many pronouns, but from there there are some personal pronoun. See, what is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun are words that are used in a place of a noun. In a place of noun that name people. That name people. Okay. They are personal pronoun. See, I have written one example here. Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. He is a poor boy. He is a poor boy. Here I wrote he. Okay, instead of Ram. So this is a pronoun. Okay, this is a personal pronoun because this is a word that is used in a place of noun that name people. Okay, here he is used instead of Ram. Okay, so that means he is personal pronoun. He, she, it, I, we, he, like that. There are so many personal pronouns are there in your book. In page number 26 on the top, you can see that there are so many personal pronouns and their singular and plural forms are there. Okay, you can see. Then the next point is possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun are pronouns that stand for people or thing who own something. Okay, these are the pronouns that stand for people or thing who own something. Example: mine, yours, ours, his, hers, etc. Okay, I have written one example. This computer is mine. Here mine is possessive pronoun. Okay, it is this thing is mine. That bag is yours. Those benches are theirs. Okay, so yours, theirs, his, hers. These are the words. Okay, these are possessive pronouns. Whenever you do some exercise related to possessive pronoun, you must remember one thing. See, possessive pronoun never comes with an apostrophe s. Okay, possessive pronoun never comes with an apostrophe s. Okay, see the short form of one example I have written here. The short form of it is, it is, its. Okay, it is the short form of it is, its. Okay, here it apostrophe s. That means it is. See, one more example you see. The bird has a nest. Its nest is small. Its nest is small. See, what is the difference between its and its? We are pronouncing these two words equally, but see the difference is here its means it is, here its means it is a possessive pronoun. Its nest means the bird's nest is small. Okay, now it is a possessive pronoun. So you must remember, okay, its, its, its and it apostrophe s. Okay, the difference between these two you must remember. Don't write its. Okay, it apostrophe s. Okay, then it will be wrong. Then in page number 26 there is a green box. pronoun must be singular. Okay. See, when you are writing a sentence, here I have written one sentence here. Ram is a good boy, he is a poor boy. Okay, Ram is a good boy, he is a poor boy. See, here I wrote he instead of Ram. See, now Ram is singular. Okay, now he also singular. We cannot say that he is plural. Here there is one computer. There is one example. You see, this computer is mine. Now computer it is in singular form. This computer, this noun is singular. Then the pronoun also plural. Pronoun also singular. Then the next sentence you see, these computers are theirs. Now you see this is computers. Okay. Now the noun is plural. Their pronoun is also plural. See, if the noun is plural, the pronoun must be plural. If the noun is singular, the pronoun must be singular. Okay. Then, if the noun is masculine, the pronoun must be masculine. If the noun is feminine, the pronoun must be feminine. If the noun is masculine, pronoun is masculine. যদি noun masculine আছে, pronoun be masculine now. Okay, here you see. Now the noun is feminine, pronoun must be feminine. Okay, you cannot write here masculine. Okay. If the noun is masculine, the pronoun must be masculine. If the noun is feminine, the pronoun must be feminine too. If the noun is neutral, the pronoun referring to it must be in the neutral. Okay, see. Table is made of wood. Okay. This table is made of wood. Okay. It is a beautiful table. It is a beautiful table. See, it I used instead of table. Table is now it is neutral. Okay, we cannot identify the gender here. This is neutral, neither masculine nor feminine. Okay, so this is neutral gender, and there I got it. Okay, it is beautiful. It, the pronoun. See, there the pronoun also neutral. See, there are some exercises are there that you do and practice. Okay, and this definition, what is pronoun, what is personal pronoun, and what is possessive pronoun. These things you learn and you do the exercises. If you find any difficulties, you can call me. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. So for today this much. Tomorrow I will come with a new chapter. Thank you.